美国太空总署 NASA 的火箭号火星探测器过12年了后，即马陆续阁有传出来火星顶头的资讯。英国的伦敦帝国学院研究人员有研究火箭号降落的岩层地表，即马是认为讲，因为呢火星这个所在应该是有水的，毋过即马已经无啊，嘛因为无水的关系，互火星的生物演化机会变作真低。
直径有到154公里的盖尔硫气坑，伫咧火星赤道的附近，互科学家认为不是火星重要的水分负责区域。科学家本来认为火星伫咧形成了后大约5亿年左右，也就是离现在130多亿年前，因为磁场消失，无法度保护大气层，和太阳风北去，连带互火星地表的水分拢蒸发。英国伦敦帝国学院的研究人员上新的研究内面做出一个结论：火星地表水分消失的时间比原本设想的晚真多。
All of this water that was on the surface began to sort of boil off and was lost into the atmosphere and then into space. So between 3.7 and 3 billion years, Mars essentially lost all its surface water, or most of its surface water and most of its atmosphere, which is the same time that we were hoping life may be evolving.
研究团队发现，硫气坑的酸盐层处之间，并无亲像风化了正整齐一沿贴一沿，是弯弯翘翘。认为是火星的水一直来来回回伫咧冷冻退冰，酸盐受到压力才会弯弯翘翘。
Within that sandstone, we find these structures which cross-cut them, which are evidence of water. So they must be one of the youngest things to happen in the crater, which therefore means we have these structures which were formed by water are one of the latest things in the crater. Therefore, there must have been water more recently within the crater than we previously thought.
另外一种可能就是这款水并无来来回回冷冻退冰，而是变做盐分正悬的所谓裸水，会当伫咧超低温之下以液体状态伫硫气坑地表织出弯弯翘翘的形。不过，若要找到火星不具生命的证据，即嘛是也无够。公司新闻，徐嘉玲编辑。